Mommy, it's the third time nearly deaf with them old pat and pan there, you know.
Get up and go buy the lot of me, you see?
Yo! What's cracking the lack in the pack in the mackin?
We're there hang out too baggy.
You know, bring the new beat them come. The man them there, you know.
Yo, I have a gig for you and the crew. Mobile, next week, sir. Where you say?
You talk to grabs it down the lane.
No, you're not about that brother there, you know.
And tell me say I have a big show line up for it.
Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's an innocent.
But we are idiots to allow grabs to be treating us like idiots. Under no circumstances could that be my pay.
We's a group. We have to stick together.
A group of idiots. We don't even have fear to go home.
My girl, you see the youth them when they sit down here, sir?
I bet sir, the lot time gone by.
This is not my wrong, you know.
Boy, now we nothing, you know.
And the winning numbers tonight are...
Bomba! Mommy! Look! $250 million!
These people going to collect $250 million.
This was a game of chance. And I took mine, yeah?
Sure, you care a millionaire. You're sure.
If you don't bring up your children in the right and proper manner, they will not achieve what my son has achieved today. Yeah.
The innocent crew is on a hunt tonight. And yeah, we might DJ, but we don't have mic. You could have take from now till the morning light.
I plan to build a studio around the back. The crew need more shows.
We have a new rhythm coming out. And I want you and the guys on it.
Music is my life. And I could not get this money. And I share it with my brethren them.
Me and Mi Kru, we better than me and Mi Kru. They say we better than me.
I feel like somebody robbed me.
You rob yourself, Macka.
Fly out our answer.
I don't want to go back where I'm coming from. Notice you're eyeing the little skinny mirrors my girlfriend cross the road.
Call me and I'll get your number. Bye.
When you're living in a garrison, ain't no comparison. Every youth from uptown, you are with them and listen.
Man, that is true the material. We should check Sly right away.
Mommy, crazy.
You can say what you wanna say. You can do what you wanna do.
You sell copper, you do music.
I only hope this song go #1.
Well. If it's not another coincidence.
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Right now we need to do our own thing. Grabs the two teeth.
Sometimes you have to play a fool to catch wise, you know.
Sorry about last night, see?
Tell him say we need more money.
Grabs it. I just want to deal with him, man.
Is that really the IP? Have artists that work and not feed them. Paula, pass me the black pepper, yeah?
But see, you know, see me under the flower. Pass it yourself.
Someone I like to know what I'm doing in my kitchen.
You could have put on a big stage over there, say you're not girl.
Over my dead body. It's not going to happen.
How that?
Most I can say, you know. To want to get a test.
Get tested for what?
HIV.
Spragger down here look for you.
I come in. No.
I want to do a thing at the place, you know, because I want to see if we can build back the vibes, you know. Raise some funds and hold the peace in the community at the same time. I want to know what you can do towards that still.
Hey, John, no? All the vibes are dead. Macka, put in a rhythm to make all the vibes.
I don't want to clean it, me I go right now, you know.
How you doing, officer?
I'm okay, I'm just a little peckish.
You mean hungry? Like you don't get peckish. When you're just hungry.
Have you any idea what's going through my mind right now?
Alicia, you're not coming to say good evening to your father?
Dad is home. I didn't expect him back.
What we going to do?
Don't move.
We better than me and...
Yo! I really want a proposal that can bring to I.
Hit the brakes! Your mother never teach you to say excuse. Your mother never teach you not to stand in people's way.
Mama, why we're moving?
We're going somewhere else.
I don't want you to get involved in this thing too deeply. No.
Andrew, for your name that our friend.
Say that woman, there's a whole woman, you know.
That means say we mark for death.
Get the set ready, everybody. Shoot begins in 60 minutes.
What kind of job do you have so you can buy a mansion like this?
I would like to call this meeting here to order.
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girls name honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and Mi Kru. We better than me and Weatherman.